Hi guys, welcome back with the third and last puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Monday, April the 4th, 2022. I have already solved two puzzles, the Sudoku with 3 stars and the binary, and now it's time for the Tectonic with 4 stars, and this will be number 4360. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 13 printed digits. Could be a hard one, could be an easy one. For 4 stars puzzle, I need, if it's really a 4 stars, 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. Okay, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. The first question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. We see here 1 single box, there 1 single box, so single box always a 1. Dual boxes, do we have dual boxes in this puzzle? No dual boxes in this puzzle. Triple boxes then. Do we have triple boxes here? No triple boxes. In this puzzle, I see only a quadra box, and I cannot fill these boxes. I need more information. More triple boxes here? No. Then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, some structures. For example, the T shape. We have here the T shape. Let me draw the T shape here. We have a T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has always the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Okay. T shape. Here, another one upside down. This box has the same number as that box, and that box has the same number as this box. Alright, then the following figure. How about this figure? Let me draw this here. Here. Yeah. Alright. When you see this kind of figure or shape, construction or structure, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright, more of these kind of shapes. Here, another one. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2. More, yeah, rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Do you have more? No. Then the following shape. How about this shape, the L shape? When you see the L shape, here we have the L shape. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. All right. Here another one. Rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Do we have more? No. Then the following shape, the last shape, I believe, this one. Let me draw this here. Alright. Okay. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box, same number as that box. Okay. And those are the shapes or figures that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 4. There are more. I believe there are 6, maximum 6 of those figures or shapes, or construction, structures, whatever you name it. but not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4 that you need to recognize. Why you need to recognize? That's the question. Why you need to recognize those shapes? Well, then the following step, then it's easy for filling those numbers. All right, so let's get starting filling those numbers. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. That box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this quarter box should be here. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1, and this box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this L shape should be here. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. Those 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 2 boxes can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Then this box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that box cannot be a 1 because we have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box can be a 1, but also that box can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. But we see here another 1, so this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. All right. This box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1. All right. Overlook this one. Okay. Yeah. Okay. These 2 boxes can be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. Let me mark those 2 and the 3. 2 and the 3. These 2 boxes can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be here. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Well, this box cannot be a 2 anymore. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So it's not a solution to place a 2 there. The 2 is supposed to be here, and the 3 goes there. Now we have a 2 here, so this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 1. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 5. It goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. These 2 boxes can be 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. This box can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Let me see. Okay. Yeah. I'm thinking 2 numbers left in this quadra box. 4 numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Let me mark those. 3 and 4. This box is connected with that box. Should be also 3 and 4. Okay. this box can be a 3 because we have a double 3 there. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. So this box can be 3. But also that box, this box, cannot also not be a 1. So the 1 and 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. So 1 digit left in this L-shaped area for number 4. Alright. These two boxes can be a 4. Oh, wait. It's not the 4. Made a mistake. The 1 and the 3, so 1 digit left. Should be the 2, not the 4. Overlook this 4. Alright. Almost made a mistake. Okay, it should be the 2. Could be happen. So we have a 2 here. Must be dry, okay. That means that those two boxes can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. If I place the 2 here, this box is connected with that box, should be also 2, but we already have a 2 there, so it's not the solution to place the 2 there. The only place left for the 2 should be here. I think this box should be a 5, because it can be 1, can it be 2, can it be 3, can it be 4? Yes, definitely a 5. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 3 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Now we have a 3 there. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. 1 box left in this L shape for the number 1. I think this box should be a 5, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 3, it goes there. Alright. We see here double 3. That means that those two boxes cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. Overlook this 5. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. Okay. Then 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. Let me mark those two boxes, 2 and 4. That means that those two boxes can be a 2 because we have double 2 there. And those two boxes can be a 4 because we have double 4 there. The 2 and the 4 goes in these two boxes as a pair. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. This box is connected with that box. Should be also 2 and the 4. Okay, so the other pair in this L shape for numbers 3 and a 5. 3 and the 5. Okay. 2 and a 4. Alright. I'm thinking. Well, these two boxes can be a 1. So the 1 goes in this box. And I've eliminated the 2. So the 2 goes here. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. 1 box left. I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes here. Alright. Okay. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. Let me mark those. 4 and 5. Then. Let me see. I'm thinking. 3. The 2. Missing the 2. Here. 2. Let me think. Well, this box cannot be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that box cannot be a 2 anymore. It's not the solution, place a 2 here because we have a double 2 there. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 3. 3 and 4. 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Well, it cannot be a 3 because we have a 3 already. So this box should be a 4 and that box should be a 3. This box is connected with that box, should be also 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5. We have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 4 and a 5. We have a 5 there, so no 5 there. So we 4 there. So no 4 here. 4 should be here, and a 5 it goes there. These two boxes can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. Then 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 3 and 5. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And a 5 goes there. Now we have a 3 there. So this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 5. 2 and a 4. Nah, overlook this 2. We have a 2 already. So no 2 there. 2 should be here. And a 4 goes here. Now we have a 4 here. So this box can be 4 and more. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 2. This box can be a 4. That box can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. Now we have a 4 here. So this box can be 4 and more. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 3. This box is connected with that box. Should be also a 4. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area. 4 numbers 3 and 2. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And a 2 goes there. Final 2 numbers of this area. 4 numbers 3 and 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And a 3 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. 30 minutes or more I need for a 4 stars puzzle. Well, this is not indicated correct. A 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more, and I've solved this in 15 minutes. So is this really a 4 stars? No. Is this a 3 stars? No. Let me give this a 2 stars, okay? Okay, I'm not faster than 50 minutes. Anyway, I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe and hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists for the Tectonic, playlists for the binaries, playlists for the letter Sudokus. I have also a playlist for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars Sudokus. A playlist for the heavy, the medium, the light, the killer, the quintuplet, a.k.a. samurai Sudokus. All kind of puzzles or Sudokus. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you will find them all those playlists that you want. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Monday, and we will meet again tomorrow on Tuesday. Until then, bye-bye for now.